Hold on, get the father. Sir Brian. What?
There's
Hello. Yeah. Talk to me.
they say she drunk.
This is wrong?
Yeah. They say she and there's no results for me. For me, there's no results. Once I tell me that I'm drunk, there's no result. So for the people that watching, no result.
There it is, the father confirming, the father of Adrianna Younge confirming that the autopsy report that the drowned. The father of Adrianna Younge, Mrs. O'Brien, confirming that the pathologists have told him that young Adrianna Younge drowned. This is the story that's developing here. The father of Adrianna Younge confirming that the autopsy report said that the child drowned, and he's not accepting such a report. This is unfolding at the GPHC. The compound, I assume, is about to be cleared now.